Now that we understand how to use some math functions, let's talk about a function that doesn't use math, which is my favorite function, and it's called input right here. I love this one because we can interact with our user using the input function. So let's go together to Colab and let's type this. Name equals input, the input function. What is your name? Question mark. And let's run this. There you go. So the next line, right here, it's asking you what is your name. So you enter in your name, and then nothing happens after that. One more thing. I recommend putting a space right here so that when you run this, you enter in your name, and there's a space right there. Okay, great. So on the next line, let's type here, print name, meaning it's going to print whatever the user entered in. And let's run this code. What is your name? Chris. There you go. It shows up. It says Chris. Pretty cool. It asks us a question and we give an answer. It's fun. Now we can use the name that the user entered in a sentence using strings. So let's change this print line right here to the following. Your name is space this. Not the most helpful application, but it's fun. Your name is Chichi, which is my nickname growing up because I couldn't say my name. Okay, there you go. And it comes back to you. We can even ask several questions like name, height, and age if we wanted to. So let's create code together that asks for your name, your height, and your age, and then tells you what your name, height, and age is. So I'm going to do this in high speed. All right, now, if I run this, am I going to get an error? No. You think I might be getting an error because you're like, well, hold on a second. This might be an integer. This could be an integer as well. They're not, though. They're strings because we put them in double quotes here. So these are all strings here. Okay. So let's run this. What is your name? Chichi, which is my nickname growing up. What is your height? 6 feet. Luca is like 8 million feet tall, which is why I literally am standing on a stepping stool when I'm teaching with him. And whenever he gets mad at me because he's a Jedi and I'm not, he says, don't make me come down there. Just kidding. He does. Okay. What is your age? I'm 51, but I have the maturity of an 8-year-old. Great. Your name, height, and age is Chichi, 6 feet and 51, respectively. There you go. Pretty cool, huh? All right. Now, we can use Yoda as an example here. So what is your name? I'll do this fast. Yoda. Okay. What is your height? 0.66 meters. What is your age? He is 900 years old. And there's our response. How fun was that?